Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You start now. Remove surface mascara with an oil-free wipe, then pat dry. Next, warm about 0. 5 teaspoons of coconut oil between your fingers until slightly liquefied. This helps adhesion release. Apply a thin layer with a Q-tip along the lash line, never push at the roots, then press a cotton pad over the closed lid. Set a 10 to 15-minute timer. This allows the oil to penetrate the adhesive. Once set, prepare for gentle glide removal. Now continue. With the cotton pad still warm and oily, sweep from root to tip using gentle downward strokes. The goal is to dissolve the adhesive so extensions slide off. Work in small sections, 1/4 to 1/2 of the lash line, so you can monitor natural lash stress. If a lash resists, stop. Reapply coconut oil directly at the base, wait another 5 to 10 minutes, and then attempt a slow sliding motion. Make sure to breathe and keep movement. Complete the process by cleansing. Use a gentle, water-based cleanser and lukewarm water to remove excess coconut oil and any loosened adhesive. Pat lashes dry with a soft towel, do not rub, and apply a nourishing serum or a tiny drop of castor oil to support regrowth. If you notice stubborn glue that won't budge, avoid forceful picking. Instead, reapply oil and wait, or see a professional who can use a safe adhesive remover. If irritation develops, stop and seek care.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.